it's Nettie from I Hear You, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to resize your wig cap. So here I'm showing you the dome mesh dome caps that I use. One is a regular size and one is an extra large. So I'm going to be showing you the difference in the sizes when you are making your wigs. So the regular mesh dome cap that I use, it doesn't fit my dome head size 22-inch or larger. They are too small and I have to stretch them too much just to get them to fit my measurements. So I do use the extra large cap. Here I'm just showing you the regular cap and I'm gonna put it on just to show you, you know, the difference between the two sizes. So this is the regular cap and I have to pull this cap. Already, I just put it on. I haven't even pulled it out to my measurements and I can see that this cap is going to be too small. And if I sew on that cap, my wig is not going to fit. My wig is going to be too small. So what I want to do is I want to use an extra large cap. The extra large cap is going to give me a lot more room to work with and I'll be able to get a good fit. So this is the extra large. I'm going to place it. And then you can see right away, I don't have to stretch this cap out too much. It's going to go to wherever I need it to go. I can stretch it out to whatever measurements I need it to be. Right there is where I'm just showing you, that's the ear-to-ear measurement, and that's where your dome cap should stop. So your wig can come down all the way to the ears where it's supposed to. If you're not using these rulers on your dome heads, give it a try and see if you like it. It makes a world of difference. It really makes everything so much easier. I'm just pulling my cap and pinning it to the measurements. My rulers are already there, so all I have to do is just pin it down. So here you can see I pinned down the measurements and I have all this extra cap. Like my cap is all wrinkled up and you do not want to sew on that. So you want to resize this cap. And the only thing that I do is just pull the cap to the front. And I'm going to try to get out as much of those wrinkles as I can, the extra cap in the back, by just pulling it to the front to make the cap flat to the dome head. And then I'm just going to pin it down so I can sew it. So I'm just taking a needle and my nylon thread and I'm just going to sew that extra cap down to the front of the cap. And when you're pulling it to the front, you don't want to pull it too much. You just want to pull it just enough just to get rid of the extra cap that you're trying to get rid of. So don't over pull it because you still want your cap to stretch. So I'm just sewing that all the way across. And that's how it looks. Then I'll just remove all the extra pins. And now my cap is much flatter. This is what you want when you're sewing your tracks down using a sewing machine. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I want to wish everyone a happy new year and welcome to all of our new subscribers. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be putting out more content soon. And until next time.